Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to schedule your YouTube videos. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go to YouTube. And in YouTube, make sure to click on the right upper corner. And here you will see an option called YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio. As you reach out to YouTube Studio, click on the Create and click on Upload. And you want to drag and drop any videos that you think you should upload. Just for example, if I want to upload this 10 life-changing Gmail tricks, bring it, paste it here, and it will start uploading. So if you think you want to schedule it, just click on, go to visibility. Here you will see multiple options. Click on schedule and select any particular that you think that your video should be uploaded on, and select any time. And if you want to set as a premiere, you can also set it as a premiere, which means your videos thumbnail and title will be uploaded on YouTube, and people can see that this video will be uploaded at that time, which means your video won't appear, but the thumbnail and the timing will appear on YouTube, so people will remember that this video will be there. So if it's an important video, people will be waiting for this. This is a great option as well. So if you think you have learned this on how to schedule your YouTube videos, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel. We will see you in the video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.